Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your routing number on PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there is something that you will need to know. Your routing number would be located with your bank and not with PayPal. So that means that the routing number is concerning your bank and not your PayPal account. And basically, depending on which way you are planning to deposit, you will be able to find your routing number. That means you will be needing to have a direct deposit on PayPal so you can find your routing number. So those are the steps on how to set up a direct deposit. And in case you already have set up a direct deposit and that you have it to PayPal, you can find the direct deposit informations from your PayPal application. So basically, those were just the steps on how to enroll to direct deposit. And basically, to find your routing number, you will be needing to go to your mobile app or web app. And after that, you will need to search for your wallet. And basically, in the wallet, you will be needing to find your direct deposits. So here in my case, I have no direct deposit, and it also depends on the country or all the features that are uh, enabled or available to your account. And you will need just to simply go to wallet. And basically, here, in addition to this feature, you will find your direct deposit. So you will be needing just to search for direct deposit option, and basically you will need just to click on it, and after that you will find, or a pop-up will be showing with your bank account informations, and basically you will find your bank number, and also you will find the routing number there. And basically that's the routing number concerning your account on your bank, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.